Hi everyone, in this particular video we will go through how to do a blue-green deployment in Kubernetes. So let's get started. Yes. So what I'm doing right now is creating a deployment called Blue. I'm using Nginx replicas, Nginx image, and I'm using 3 replicas. So my Blue deployment has been created. Now what I will do is expose this Blue deployment through a service. The service name is blue-green deployment. It's listening on port 80 and target port is also 80. The type is node port because I will be testing it on node port, right? So my service is also created. Next what I will do is I will get the I will just view the content of the blue green service and note the cluster IP that I have got. The cluster IP, it's the node port is 32076. This is what I am looking for. So in this particular command what I am doing is I'm just trying to get the node port and save it to a variable called node port. So this is the command which I run, and now if I do node port, you will see the port 32076 had been saved onto the node port variable. Let me clear my screen. Okay, so I am just trying to get the my local minikubes and node IP. So you will see the node IP is something like 192.168.64.9. So this also I will try to save into a variable. So what I'm doing is I am doing a JSON path to the YAML which is available, and the JSON which is available, and getting the host which will be the IP of this minikube node. So if I do on the host, you will see I have got the host ID as well, and if I do the curl to that host and node port, I am getting the Nginx homepage. So I'll clear my screen, and the next step is to create a deployment called green. So we are switching from blue to green, and I am using an image HTTPD, and before we have used Nginx, but we are using HTTPD. So this is my green deployment. I have created the green deployment, and now all I need to do is edit my service and change the selector from blue to green. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my blue green service. I have to search for the blue label. So not here. Next, yeah. So here you will see this is the selector label, and it is pointing to app equal to blue. What I need to do at this point is change it from blue to green, which is my new service, which is my new deployment. I will save it, and once I have saved it, if I again do the curl to the host and node port, you see it has moved from blue to the green, which is the HTTPD image. So I can quickly switch between blue and green as and when I want. So in this case we have 2 deployments, one blue and one green, and we have one service which is pointing to the green. Let's say I want to switch it back to the blue again. I edit, search for green this time. Next, so selector app equal to green, and I need to change it to blue and save it. If I do a curl again, it has gone to the old Nginx. So that's it, guys. This is how we perform a blue green deployment. In this case we always have 2 deployments and a single service, and we change it to the blue or the green using the selector within the service. So hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe. So see you next time. Bye.